A wet and muddy Agueda circuit set the stage for Round 5 of the 2024 MXGP season, where Red Bull KTM Factory Racing celebrated a second consecutive MX2 victory as Liam Everts rode to a skillful 1-1 scorecard aboard the KTM 250 SXF. In the MXGP class, Jeffrey Herlings seized the second moto for his first checkered flag of the campaign. Liam Everts secured back-to-back wins after triumphing in Italy and now Portugal. The Belgian dominated from pole position, showcasing prowess in both MX2 motos, navigating the thick and slippery Agueda mud with finesse. Despite a technical glitch during the first MXGP moto in the adverse conditions, Jeffrey Herlings bounced back robustly, clinching the second outing by a commanding 23-second margin. This victory marked his first 25 points of 2024 and his first win since the 2023 GP of Latvia. In other notable performances, Andrea Adamo finished 5th overall, while Sasha Konen claimed 16th. Jan Doensen and Cas Vok emerged victorious in the EMX 125 and EMX 250 European Championships, respectively. The Grand Prix of Galicia awaits next weekend, marking the second of 3 rounds in Spain this season, and the second consecutive fixture in a busy stretch for MXGP. The weekend in Agueda began with heavy rainfall, transforming the circuit into a rough, rutty, and treacherous terrain, presenting a formidable challenge for both riders and machines. Liam Everts secured pole position after winning the Ram qualification heat on Saturday, setting the stage for a dominant performance in the subsequent motos. Meanwhile, Jeffrey Herlings showcased promising speed in the MXGP race, clinching second and positioning himself well for Sunday's battles. Raceday brought more torrential showers, further intensifying the challenging motocross environment. Despite the adverse conditions, Liam Everts showcased exceptional skill, leading from the front in both MX2 motos to secure another overall victory. His flawless performance elevated him to 3rd in the World Championship standings. For Andrea Adamo and Sasha Konen, navigating the challenging conditions was a test of resilience. Adamo fought through the slime to secure respectable finishes, while Konen faced setbacks but remained optimistic for the upcoming races. The weekend also marked a triumph for the KTM Academy, with Cas Vok and Jan Doensen securing victories in the EMX 250 and EMX 125 divisions, respectively, amidst the challenging conditions. From Portugal, the MXGP caravan moves to Spain for Round 6 before heading north to Saint-Jean-d'Angely for the Grand Prix of France on May 18th to 19th. The Grand Prix of Galicia will kick off at the circuit of Lugo next weekend. Jeffrey Herlings reflected on his performance, expressing disappointment over the technical issue but maintaining optimism for the upcoming races. Liam Everts savored his remarkable weekend, acknowledging the rarity of such flawless performances. Andrea Adamo and Sasha Konen evaluated their performances, recognizing the challenges faced and looking forward to better weather conditions in Spain. Andrea Adamo and Sasha Konen evaluated their performances, recognizing the challenges faced and looking forward to better weather conditions in Spain. In the MXGP class, Paul's Jonas emerged victorious with consistent performances, while Tim Geiser maintained his lead in the championship standings. In MX2, Liam Everts dominated proceedings with a perfect 1-1 scorecard, closing the gap in the championship standings as K. de Wolf maintains his lead. The Grand Prix of Portugal showcased thrilling battles and remarkable performances amidst challenging conditions, setting the stage for an exciting continuation of the 2024 MXGP season.